Hello everybody, Uncle Bill OGorman here with the Royal Auto Group Nissan Subaru store on Route 281, the West Road in Cortland. And a lot of you folks have been watching. I've had a lot of people come in and take test drives. I want to thank you for that. We've even got a couple customers that have signed up on some fantastic deals. And when we're talking about deals, we're talking about Nissans, Subarus, Chevrolets. We're talking about large manufacturers rebates, dealer promotions and discounts. We're also talking about lease specials. So when you come and see me here at the Royal Auto Group Nissan Subaru on Route 281, that's what you're going to find. You're going to find some deals. So stop in today, see Uncle Bill OGorman here on Route 281 in Cortland, or call me at 607-543-1215.